There are over 8 billion people on this planet, but some places are so remote that almost no one lives there. These are the top 5 most remote places on Earth. Number 5, Point Nemo. Located in the South Pacific Ocean, Point Nemo is also known as the loneliest place in the world. It's a region so remote that it's actually closer to the Galapagos Islands than it is to any other landmass. The nearest major city is about 1,600 miles away. If you were to travel to Point Nemo by boat, it would take you over 2 months to get there. And even if you could find it on a map, you probably wouldn't want to visit. Point Nemo's nearest landmasses are Ducie Island, part of the Pitcairn Islands, Motu Nui, part of the Easter Islands, and Mare Island off the coast of Antarctica. Number 4, Tristan da Cunha. This remote island in the South Atlantic Ocean is so far off the beaten path that it's not even technically part of any country. It's a British overseas territory, but it's so remote that the UK has no real control over it. Tristan da Cunha is home to just 240 people who live there mostly in isolation. They grow their own food and make their own laws. They're completely self-sufficient, which is why they don't really need anyone to rule over them. The closest major city to Tristan da Cunha is Cape Town, South Africa, which is over 1,700 miles away. Number 3, Alert, Nunavut, Canada. Located in the Canadian Arctic, Alert is the northernmost permanently inhabited place on Earth. It's so remote that the sun only shines for 3 hours a day in the winter. This makes it one of the darkest places on Earth, but it's also one of the least populated. There are only about 80 people living in Alert, most of whom are scientists and support staff. They live in a former military base, which has been converted into a research station. The nearest major city to Alert is Ottawa, which is over 1,800 miles away. Number 2, Iditarod, Greenland. This small settlement in Greenland is located on an island that's accessible only by helicopter or dog sled. It's so remote that it's completely cut off from the rest of the world for most of the year. The only way to get there is by taking a 2-hour helicopter ride from Kangerlussuaq. Once you arrive, you'll find a small village of about 450 people who live mostly in isolation. They hunt for seals and other marine animals to eat, and they travel by dog sled because there are no roads. Number 1, Antarctica, the continent itself. This icy wasteland is so remote that it's literally at the end of the Earth. There are no roads, no towns, and no people. The only visitors to Antarctica are scientists and support staff who work at one of the continent's many research stations. To get to Antarctica, you must take a boat that travels through one of the world's roughest seas. The journey takes about 2 months each way, which is why almost no one ever goes there. So there you have it, the top 5 most remote places on Earth. Some of these places are so far off the beaten path that it's hard to believe they actually exist. But they do, and they're just waiting to be discovered by those adventurous enough to find them. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.